You didn't feel what I did yet. There it is.
Built it on me.
Just like a single droplet of water. Welcome to this all of everything. We're doing polar finally. Knocking out polar. There's a lot of flavors. Let me tell you, here's the thing. I failed for polar, but it's not possible to succeed, all right? It isn't. I don't have the resources to succeed at getting every flavor of polar. You don't understand. This is every flavor of polar that is nationally available, but polar does this thing where every year they put out like 9 or 10 flavors that are regional exclusive to one town, and they're called Polar Explorers. So you physically have to go to a random city and they only sell that flavor in that store. Can't buy it online. They also have Polar Kids flavors, which I really wanted to get, but I couldn't find, and I'm not sure if they're discontinued or not, but there was flavors like unicorn tears and werewolf venom. Like, it was interesting, but I got the standards. These are your standard polars to the best of my ability. We are starting with original.
You know, not a lot of them have.
No, there's not that many planes.
Yeah.
I don't know if I did. I don't think I did. But it would have been funny if I set aside every plain soda water for us to do a ranked on who has the best plain. Really I don't think I did because I think there's only like 2 of them.
Probably just come down to carbonation.
That is effervescent.
Yes, it is.
That is very carbonated. I mean, it's fantastic. It's a C tier though.
Dude, it's so funny because, like, I'm gonna be honest with you. This is B at least for me.
There's no flavor.
Yeah, I like it a lot. I like just straight sparkly water, and I like it when it's really, really fizzy.
There's so many things in B.
We're not doing a tier
massive.
though. This is polar. Are we doing tiers?
The whole overarching tier list exists. This is what puts them into the overarching tier list. It's on screen right now. This is not out of polar. This is out of soda water.
Put it in low B's or the highest in C.
You know what, Nick? As long as we don't put either of these in B, as long as one of these 2 go into C, I'm cool with it.
What is that?
Lemon.
That's not going in C.
It's not.
That one is though.
Grapefruit might.
Yeah.
We gotta put something in C eventually. C's
That's
lacking.
going in C or D, I can tell you that.
We don't put much in D either, actually. I actually don't like that much.
This isn't that good. Oh, lemon. I like it's less than regular.
So do I.
Let's go C.
Yeah, it's C, actually. That's surprising. Lemon's normally a high ranking for us. You want to introduce one?
No.
Okay. This is ruby. This is ruby grapefruit. Ruby red grapefruit.
This is ruby red fruit of grape. 100% natural, seltzer calorie.
He said it wrong. It's ruby red grapefruit.
Ruby red fruit of grape.
I love that we're on separate channels now, so I can roast him quietly into my mic, and it's super loud for you guys.
And I gotta be honest with you, I'm thinking ruby red grapefruit deserves to be the ASMR can.
What was the ASMR flavor?
What?
What was our ASMR flavor?
We've done 2 now.
No, but like
Yesterday.
Yeah, but it was the same flavor.
I don't remember.
I thought it was a polar.
I don't know, but that's just, you know.
Oh no, it was strawberry hibiscus Fuck. You really spelled that. You're still spelling it. You know what, Nick? I'm a level with you. I think we should only do that for strawberry and strawberry only.
Okay, is there a strawberry here?
There's a strawberry over here.
Well, then we'll do it for that one. Scratch every whisper we did from the record.
You hear nothing. Wow, you really spilled a lot.
There's a towel that's over there still. You know why we have a towel, guys?
I don't know which videos. This video is probably coming out before that one, actually, by a good bit.
Whenever it comes out, you gotta watch the orange video.
Yeah.
Somebody tried to juggle a couple open cans on his head or some crazy shit.
I want a cool thumbnail. I don't like this.
Nope, D tier.
D. We always hype up Polar, and now we're just kind of roasting him right off the bat.
Polar is garbage. Sorry if you're a Polar fan. It's not actually
garbage.
It's not actually garbage. We just.
But this one is Polar Pomegranate. We didn't like this yesterday. Or I didn't like it. I thought it was medicinal.
Medicinal.
They are bubbly, though. I will give Polar that.
They know how to carbonate.
I'd put it in last place. I would put this in, honestly, I would say F.
What's fine with me?
F, yeah.
We got a F, D, C, and B right now.
Oh
We're killing it, Chris. The diversity.
And next up is Black Cherry.
This is gonna break the streak because this sure shit ain't an A.
No, we don't like black cherries.
No.
Yeah, I don't like it. It's F or D for me.
Do I have to drink the rest?
No. So that's F then if you're not going to drink the rest.
It's an F. I will.
You just don't want to get up.
You know it. Oh, let's go, baby.
Your face.
We'll see how this is because the lemon was very underwhelming. But this now is Polar Lime.
Love me's a lime.
Lime water is the best water.
It's crazy that right now we have original in first place.
first place, really.
Delightful.
Delectable.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It's B.
I'm fine with B, but it's a higher B than the original.
We've got, this is going to be a low one, cranberry lime. For me, I got my cranberry guy.
Can you hear the amount of bubbling that's happening over here?
There's a decent amount of bubbles because Polar, they know how to do it, man. I'm telling you what. Swinging my legs like a little kid right now.
Oh yeah, you are.
Did the thing.
You did it. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you.
No thanks.
It's very cranberry forward.
I'd put it here, but that's just me.
So D tier?
Yeah.
I'd put it here.
That's fine. Is that D or C? Because you're in between the two.
I'm still saying D tier.
Okay.
This doesn't actually matter. We're just doing this because where else are we going to put them, you know? They're done.
Right. The tier is what matters.
Yeah, this is us about getting that tier list.
I wonder where this one's going.
This is orange vanilla. Well, now these are so effervescent.
This is orange vanilla Polar, obviously.
These are all polar. And they do have a cute bear on them.
They do, well, not all of them do.
Well, not the...
One of the ones.
Oh my god. I think I'm dying.
I did it, guys. I'm part of the team.
These videos is just watching us burp. I want to save burp file and just do a burp compilation at one
Just
point.
all burps. Just so much carbonation. Just as not good as I remember.
That's a good old-fashioned F.
That's fine with me. By the way, I just want to point out we are like halfway through Polar's roster, and there's only 2 above a C.
It is funny because I feel like we talk up Polar a lot.
Yeah, we do.
Other videos. And in the Polar video itself, like, these are all kind of mids.
kinda
It might be
fucking
because we just
trash.
drink the delicious orange ones.
Maybe.
But next up, this is a new one. Pink Apple Lemon just came out. There was
Pink Apple.
also Blackberry Orange or Blackberry Mango. And that is going to happen right now. We're doing this out of order right now because of the fact that, like, I only brought one of these and I'm not driving a 4-hour round trip to go get another one to film it tomorrow. So we're just going to film this right now in the middle of the mango video that I don't think is out yet. I don't think this video is out currently.
This is, you say what it was? Blackberry Mango?
Blackberry Mango.
Polar.
Polar. Well, this is the Polar video. This clip is for that. We're giving it a rank.
Yeah.
I give it upper A.
Yeah, that's fine. We can do low A because I feel like B, but
Hey, you feel like B, so we'll go ahead and we'll put it there. You'll show it. It's on screen. It's on screen now. All right, so this is the next one of Pink Apple Lemon, also new.
I am moist. Oh, wow, the service. Thank you, sir. Hey, what flavor was this?
Pink Apple Lemon.
Not apple pink lemon or
Pink
lemon
apple and lemon.
So it's not a pink lemon, it's a pink apple.
It's a pink apple and lemon.
What is a pink apple?
It's a pink apple and lemon.
Let's drink the water now.
This is a wild one.
There you go.
I kind of like it. I'm a fan of that.
Put it here.
So is it an A or is it B? I lean A.
I lean B, but a higher B than this.
We'll put it in high B.
This is strawberry watermelon. Sorry, guys.
This is strawberry watermelon.
This is strawberry watermelon.
Polar strawberry watermelon.
Premiums. What did they all say? Premium?
I think.
No, they didn't.
Oh my god, they
This
don't.
is premium.
Wait, some of them do, some of them don't. Hold on.
Is it the doubles? It's the doubles.
Cranberry lime is a double and it's not premium.
Oh, is that one premium?
Pomegranate is premium. No, orange vanilla isn't. Pomegranate is.
Okay, so pomegranate,
Some are premium.
pink apple, lemon, and now strawberry watermelon are all considered premium.
We will point out the premium ones at the end of the video, see where they stack up.
Okay, all right. This is premium strawberry watermelon seltzer.
So after quickly looking, that is actually the only premium ones. None of these other ones say premium over there.
Well, these are either.
So literally there's just like a few of them that are premium for some reason.
That's interesting. Okay, I'm gonna pour this in now.
Oh my god. The ones that don't say premium say 100% natural. And the ones that say premium say natural calorie free. Not 100% natural. They just say the word natural. So maybe what's premium about them is that they aren't natural. And it's actually a lower quality product. Who knows?
This is
What a conspiracy.
Polargate.
It's crazy that this happened to happen while we're doing an ASMR segment.
Quite the conspiracy. Actually, I like this one.
Oh, that hurt. This thing's so bubbly. It hurts when you do that.
swish carbonated beverages. It's a bad idea. You like that? Oh, fuck. Get your wet. Specifically said Chris is wet just for you guys. Said seconds ago that we can't get these wet because they're expensive. How do you feel about it, Chris? You like strawberry watermelon? I really don't. No, I actually don't think it's that bad. Give it a C. I will allow you to give it a C, but it has to be a high C. I'm fine with that. Okay. Like high C orange or... Yeah. Okay. Where's it go in this lineup, though? Interesting. I would have put it like all the way down right here. Nah, you're way off, but that's fine. Try the lemon again. I don't wanna. Okay, then don't.
All right, we're done with that. Next up is raspberry lime. I don't know why I didn't put this after cranberry lime and lime. This is good. This is A or S.
What is this called again?
Raspberry lime. Non-premium seltzer. I give it a high A. It's not S. I give it a high A. I'd put this in first place pretty firmly.
This is probably a D for me. I don't like this at all, bud. I firmly do not like this.
Okay, so is that like put it as a... I said high A, you said D, so that puts it like a low B.
Fine, yeah, it's fine. Low B is fine.
Low B, high C.
I know it feels like B should be somewhere in here, but B is right here.
All right, so now we're moving on.
I want to point something out, guys. I adore the fact that original is in the top 3 right now.
That's true. It's up there. Next up, we have the AIDS.
What?
The AIDS.
Sparkling lemon.
It's lemonade or limeade for each of these.
It's blood orange lemonade. Polar sparkling blood orange lemonade. Instead of a bear, it's got a friggin' lemon on there. And they actually say it's seltzer aid at the bottom.
Seltzer aid.
It aids in the crafting of seltzers and then packages itself up in a can and ships itself off as a seltzer as well.
I don't know how I feel about that. Feels like human trafficking.
Self-human trafficking. He packaged himself up. The water.
Oh, he's aiding in the creation of seltzers to package.
Yeah. He human traffics, and then he human traffics himself. It's like, never mind. I'm not going to
We're just going to cut this whole segment. This
say.
whole joke.
So I want to point something out, guys. We'll fucking say something ridiculous. Now, let me rephrase that. I'll say something ridiculous and silly, and then Chris will cut it the fuck out of the video. And then all of a sudden, this is just a video of 2 jackasses sitting quietly drinking sparkling water.
I cut things when they shouldn't be said. We were on a human trafficking rant 2 seconds ago, and he's complaining about the fact that I'm going to cut that.
Yeah, and you complain that I look like I'm just chilling and doing nothing the whole time. It's like, yeah, because you cut everything I fucking said out of the video.
Depends on the video. Sometimes you're pretty nice. Sometimes you're having fun. Other times you're sitting in silence. This is delightful. I'd put it in first place.
I like it too.
It's an A.
Fine. We got coconut limeade this time.
Lime.
Not lemonade, limeade.
But there's still a lemon on the front cover.
Still seems to be a lemon. And it's this obviously seltzerade again, but this is coconut limeade. You put the limeade in the coconut. Please don't shake this up because it's carbonated.
Oh, these are guilt-free in case you were wondering.
What?
They're guilt-free.
Oh, God.
I don't know why, but it says
Oh, God, Chris. Oh, God. We drank so many that weren't guilt-free.
That's true.
Were these guilt-free?
We are very
Chris, tell
guilty.
me these were guilt-free.
I don't know. Let me look. God. Such a cycle. Authorized by someone. Family made since 1882. Wow, it's been around for a while. Huh?
Impressive. I'm not going to lie. It's not guilt-free, though.
No, this is pretty guilty.
All right, we drink a lot of non-guilt. We're not going to sleep tonight.
But these ones are guilt-free. It says it right there.
I know, but we still drank, like, what is this? Fucking 10 guilty waters?
Yeah, pretty much.
I'll call my therapist tomorrow.
You don't got a therapist.
Tomorrow's Sunday.
You're a man, you know.
I don't have a
You shove your
therapist.
feelings down and then kill yourself in your late 30s. I'm about to cut that. You can't say what the hell. We got ghosts.
Probably. You know, this house built in 2006 definitely has ghosts.
It's old. The old house. I don't like this.
What was this supposed to be?
This is a D in my opinion.
I didn't even taste coconut limeade at all.
I just taste coconut and I give it a D.
This is whatever, man. Whatever you want to get. To me, this just tastes like barely anything.
I'm gonna say D. This is raspberry pink lemonade.
Delicious.
Very excited for this because I like the raspberry lime flavor.
Wait, hold on. It's not pink raspberry, it's raspberry pink.
Raspberry pink lemonade, yeah.
Oh, it's not pink raspberry lemonade. It's raspberry pink lemonade.
Yep. See, raspberry pink.
I believe you. Wait. Is this one guilt-free also?
Yes.
Oh, thank God.
No juice, no sweeteners, no sugar, no nothing. There's nothing in there. No calories, no total fats, no sodium, no carbs, no added sugar, no protein.
Hashtag
seltzer aid. PolarSeltzerAid.com. Ingredients: sparkling water, natural flavors, essence of fresh lemons. What? The essence of fresh lemons is in here?
Yep.
They're just waving them.
Waving them over the water.
The production line where they're making the waters going, and they got a single lemon and like one of those little hotel fans, the little tiny ones just in front of it.
Give it a try. It's quite good.
Yeah.
I like this one a lot.
I'd put this in first or second place. I'd give this a nice A.
I'd like first for this.
I'm very excited about this. This is blueberry lemonade. This one actually took me a while to find. I don't think we've ever had it. Could be wrong. There's probably video evidence of me being wrong. But this is one I found a lot later than the other ones.
Please put it up.
I'm not gonna go back and watch all my videos to find
fair.
out. I mean, I guess I could. Well, we haven't done. No, there's no way that we've tried this before. We didn't do a blueberry video.
No, we haven't done
And we haven't done the lemon video.
Yeah.
So there's no way that we've had this before. But I found this one like way later. There's actually a few of the aids that I couldn't find. There's a guava one. Very upset that I couldn't find the guava.
Aid?
There's a starfruit.
Starfruit lemonade or limeade?
I don't remember. But I couldn't find either of them. And then when I was looking around, some people said they were discontinued. Some people said they still saw them in stores. So it's a toss-up. Polar is the only one that I couldn't hunt them all down because it was so varied. Oh.
Oh.
Why does it taste like poop?
Sure doesn't.
What?
Taste poop.
You didn't get poop the second you put that to your mouth?
No, could you try again?
The inhale of the flavor of the in my mouth is fine, but it was like when you know how you breathe in as you go, like the air that hit me was poop air.
You're wrong, but not far off.
That's what I'm saying. It's like bathroom. It smells like gas station bathroom.
No, gas station bathroom smells like piss more, but yeah, it does have a weird smell that's off.
The taste is good.
It's got an off-putting smell, but a good taste.
I would put this as a B in taste and an F in smell, so I'm leaning
Give it a
D.
C?
I'm leaning D. I don't know where you want to put it.
Let's put it in low C's.
That's fine.
Taste is what matters.
Yeah, but I wouldn't do it because of the
B smell?
Yeah, I don't want to inhale poop every single time that I go to drink soda water.
This is our last one here. This is a limeade. It's tart cherry limeade.
Could be good, could be bad. We normally don't like cherry.
No, but it's limeade. So.
But it's limeade, and we
It's
like
also
lime a lot.
guilt-free, so we don't have to cry ourselves to sleep about this one.
Thank God. When I don't feel bad about talking trash about this one, since I'm guilt-free. Such a great fizz. Look at this fizz. Look at those bubbles.
Fuck my teeth up.
We already have once in a video.
Yeah.
I don't hate that. I'd put it here.
Still don't really like it that much, but it's much better than other cherry things we've had.
Yeah, I'd put it right here.
Which is what, C, B?
Yeah, B. For me, I'd say B. I don't know what you're saying.
It's fine.
You don't have to agree. You can say C and we can put it in C. I'd put it in a low B, so.
Let's just go lowest B. Is this B?
I don't care one above that. Doesn't matter what it is. I want it above that one.
Okay, fine.
I think that one's better than that one. I don't remember what it is, but I think it's better. There you have it, guys.
Yeah.
Here we go. Polar.
Right.
Interesting mixed
The
bag.
amount of bubbly sounds.
Oh my God, I know. Well, so what I find crazy is like normally when we do these videos, right? When we get to the end, it's like heavily stacked in the upper or lower bracket, like a brand. They're pretty well spaced with nothing in S.
No S's. They're pretty, honestly, they're kind of weighted lower.
I don't know.
Chris, this original is a fucking top 3 non-lemonade flavors.
Yeah, but it's B. Like we got a lot of B's. We got several A's, a lot of B's, a lot of C's, a couple D's, and a couple F's.
I guess
like that's rare.
It's true.
Usually it'd be like a bunch in F or a bunch in A. I just want you guys to experience this really quick. I'm just gonna. Wasn't that beautiful? Wasn't that lovely? I'll see you guys next time.